Someone in one of my videos recently said that I might be gaining weight, and looking at this here that I'm walking here, I feel like it's true. Like I'm really gaining weight here in the countryside. Guys, yeah, this space is too much. Welcome to today's vlog. Thank you so much for joining. And as you all know, the festive season is here, right? So we are preparing for it slowly by slowly. You know, it's still November, and we prepare the ones that we know are complicated, like trimming the fences and all that kind of stuff, sweeping, like just maintaining the home. So welcome to our Christmas celebrations preparations. These are one of those sweet moments I get to experience here in the countryside, seeing everyone happy, seeing everyone smiling. Oh my goodness, it's so much happiness. Guys, I've been learning how to ride this motorcycle. You know, you use the resources that you have, because I feel like a motorcycle and a car, they have like the same mechanisms. They have, you know, the clutch, the accelerator, the brakes, and I feel like learning the motorcycle will make it easier for me when I get my own car. Yeah, so my boyfriend has really been teaching me. It has been tough on sometimes. Sometimes it has been really tough, you know. But yeah, we learn every day. Can't wait to be very cool with riding a motorcycle.
Already iko gear 1. Nataka kutoa tip kuja usikie nywele yangu hapa katikati. Hata ole hata inakuanga fupi hapa katikati. Ona. Unajua nywele hapa katikati inafaa kuwa mrefu. I don't know if girls get to this point where they feel like they want to cut their hair. At this point, I feel like I want to cut my hair. Maintaining hair is so difficult, and also my hair is damaged in the middle. So I feel like starting all over again, and it's hard. It's not easy to make that decision because I've had this hair for so long. It gives me so many memories. I've never cut it ever since I started growing it, and I was waiting for that moment. But right now I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I need to cut it down and let it grow again. But it has so many memories with my mom. I remember how they used to struggle to make it. Oh my goodness, so many memories. It's not easy to make that decision. Still contemplating. Oh my goodness.
Ile ngumu. Nasema hii kifagio ngumu ndio itafagia vizuri. Ile yenye ulikuja nayo.
I'm just enjoying the bouncy grass. But let me tell you guys, if you ever want to plant grass, do not plant this type of grass. I don't know what it's called, but it's the worst type of grass. You see the one around the house, that's the best. But this one here, it eats up the good grass, and this one dries up, it becomes too much. I don't know how to explain it. I wish I knew the name of this grass and just tell you not to plant it. It's not good. It dries up during the dry season. Yeah, and we've been planning to take it out. We've been planning to take it out and plant the good one. We have a mango tree around the home, and when you have a tree around the home, of course it drops a lot of these leaves, so we don't sweep it every day, because the moment you're just done sweeping, there are so many leaves already on the grass already. But we collect all those, we let them collect maybe at the end of the week, mostly Saturdays. You collect all that leaves and you keep it as manure. It's a very good source of manure. So we store it there and then take it to the shamba on Saturdays. Yeah. Do you know one of the beauties of living in the village is that you can literally be so hungry and you're just walking in the shamba and you discover something ripe, like a banana. Wow, so we discovered this banana. I was actually already hungry here. And it's not so ripe. I love ripe, really, really ripe bananas, but it's not bad to try it out. Yeah, blessings.
Chilling with potassium. Potassium and fiber. Alendo. Tani gonga babe. Yeah. Candy.
It's actually raining right now, but this video was, it's those videos that you shoot and you forget about them. So it was just in my phone, but right now it's raining. But during the dry season, there's a tree that was cut down for firewood, and one of the branches hit a macadamia tree. This is a tree hit a macadamia tree, and it went with two branches of macadamia. Do you know that is a big loss, because like two branches of macadamia produce a lot of macadamia, I'm telling you. So this was kind of a blow, but everything happens for a reason. Maybe God saw this too much. So we were collecting the macadamia from the broken branches, because there were already so many that were left there and they've dried up, but they were not so grown. But for the love of macadamia, there's no way Makena J is going to leave these out. We had quite a late lunch, just a simple ugali and cabbage. And we also collected this called, I think it's called a cricket. Yeah, it's called a cricket.
Unanidanganya ndio nishike.
Watu wanakuliwa ni kanyama. Ah.
Of course, like doing, like trimming the fences, the flowers, like everything in the home, it's something that must be done for Christmas celebrations, for Christmas preparations, my boyfriend is really quite good at trimming the fence. Yeah, and yeah, he was doing it. I was just waiting for him to finish doing it so that I can sweep that all that dirt and take it away so that it can all look cute and all, organized and clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness, right? Once the trimming was done, we decided to call it a day from here because we were already so tired and it was also getting sunny. When it gets sunny, you don't feel like doing anything anymore. And there was this maggot. I don't know what to call this maggot, but when we were young, if this thing got in your shoe and you accidentally put in that shoe in the morning while going to school, oh my goodness, you'll scratch your leg and scratch your leg. Oh my, it's so scary. If you touch it, you scratch yourself, scratch your skin. It makes you itch. What do you call it? It has a different name. For maggots, but yeah, it's a very special maggot. I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. I'm about to end it. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me you enjoyed it. Please tell me in the comment section you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. I love you wherever you are. Big love from MJ. Bye bye.